We are going to discuss scary incident and what Ryan tweeted about this. So moving review on this news, it is my request to subscribe my channel by pressing bell icon. This scary incident, Ronald tweeted and had a relation with one man in what looked like the Hollywood star said Paul Mullin puts his drop of blood in everything he does. The entire Wrexham AFC community. WAG Governor Ryan Reynolds has taken speak out worrying injuries suffered by Paul Mullin in Wrexham pre-season win Manchester United. The striker suffered a punctured lung in a club United team on a collision with goalkeeper Nathan. Both players attempting to read the ball first at the edge of the penalty area before Bishop settled into and the 28-year-old rolled ignore. Ryan came to his aid as Mullin stayed down for 8 minutes as he was treated. Pitch struggling to stand, he needed an oxygen mask to sit back. Upon seeing the scary incident, Reynolds tweeted his support and admiration for his front end in what looked like worrying situation of the color. This is the end of review. Soon we come back with more potential friends watching. Bye.